Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can allow or deny apps and services to access your health data on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on the settings. Then in settings, scroll down and then tap on privacy and security. Next, scroll down and then tap on health. And in the apps and services section, it will show a list of all the apps and services requesting permission to use your health data. In here, you'll be able to tap on the app, and in there, you'll be able to manage if you want to allow or deny permissions to health. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.